outside world. Inside the organization, they are given free hand to work, but leader is always there to connect with the outside world related with different issues of the organization. So limited role the leader plays. This is mainly to develop the subordinates in the employees. If the subordinates are educated, if they are experienced, and they can handle their work on their own, such types of leadership styles that can always be useful in the organization for giving them opportunity to learn and take decisions all by their own and grow in the organization. So advantages, I've already explained the diagram. Advantages: high morale, because the employees, once they are allowed to take all decisions all by their own, their morale is always high. Positive effect and job satisfaction, especially it is useful when we see that the employees, once they are in a position, they are well educated and trained to take decisions on their own, it provides them job satisfaction, that they are allowed to take all the decisions on their own, and their initiative, that is always increased in the organization. That is always a means of self motivation for the employees. So it provides a positive impact. And also we see that because the employees, they are skilled and such types of experienced and educated, we see that there is, third point, optimum utilization of employees potential. Because if the employees are given the opportunity and they are carrying all the things all by their own, then they feel that their worth is being properly used. But it has its disadvantages, because there is minimum, you may interference, or you may say minimum, the leader's involvement is there. As a result, there is lack of guidance on the day-to-day routine matters of the organization. And sometimes, because of this leadership style, we see that there is lack of coordination amongst the group members who are working. Once they are given free hand and all of them are well educated and trained, they all want to supersede others. As a result, lack of coordination is also observed. And if this lack of coordination is there amongst the group members who are working, then it will always be harmful for the organization. But suitability, when is it suitable? When the members of the group, they are experienced, they are skilled, they are trained, they are highly motivated, then such types of leadership styles that can be useful for the organization. And the second is when the subordinates, they have enough self-confidence to carry the work all by their own, then there is always this kind of possibility. So subordinates have that self-confidence. So in these two situations, it can be said to be useful leadership style. So these were the three different types of leadership styles. Sometimes in the exams, it is asked which leadership style is considered to be the best. Seeing the three types of leadership styles, we cannot say that this type of leadership style is best, because each and every leadership style has its own advantages and disadvantages. Every leadership style has its merits. It also has its demerits. So it is suitable in particular situations. One leadership style cannot be suitable in all the situations. So it depends upon the situation which leadership style should be exercised in the organization, on the basis of which the leader should lead the organization. But mostly in the modern organizations, we see that democratic leadership style, that is the most popular leadership styles adopted in big corporations or organizations. But it cannot be said to be the only best style, because suitability of different leadership styles is different. So keeping in mind the suitability, the leaders adopt the style of leadership so that the maximum support and cooperation it may get from its subordinates, and it can use its power with them, sharing with them, and reach towards the achievement of organizational goals. With this, we have completed leadership styles, and leadership part is also complete today. In our next lecture, we will be talking about the fourth element of directing, and that is communication. Till then, thank you all of you.